Hello guys, welcome to my channel Friend Logic, and now I will get to a chance to perform a new logic of HTML web pages. Now let's start. I will show you a heading, paragraphs, and mostly all things are that all. Okay, fine. Now, now I will change the heading of background color. Now check this. First of all, tomato color, orange color, blue color, and the background medium sea green, and that background color is medium sea green. Gray color, straight blue color, violet, and that's light gray. Now check the HTML code. Heading as the same heading, opening tag and closing tag. Now tomato will be same already. Okay. Now this is the new font. Style background color, that is a tomato. Now check, this is a tomato color. Now I will change the color just like red. Okay, this is a red color. Already all the colors are changing one to all. This is orange color, and this is always total blue color. Gray color, straight blue. Now straight blue color, I will change the color of only blue. Now check the Google Chrome. Oh, this is blue. Okay, fine. And light gray color, I'll show you the only gray. Now check this, only gray color. Now if you can change the size of heading, I will show you the previous session. Now at 6, and now will be changed on that 6, and that's run. Now check, this size will be changed. Now go to the new section, that will be paragraph color changes. Now this will be done for the previous screen, and now check the code of paragraph. If paragraph is done on this color, then you will change the paragraph color, not heading. Every one you will color change. Okay, fine. Paragraph heading, opening tag and closing tag. Okay, fine. Now style will be only same tomato color. Now will be changed just like gray, GRY. Now gray color. Okay, fine. Then go to the new screen. Okay, now background color I will show you. Then this color is not a background, this is a word by word color change. Word, only word. Okay, now first of all I can change the color of heading, same style. Now changing the styles only. Okay, styles, color, tomato. I can change the color of red. Okay, now color the change of red. Okay, then paragraph color, and this is a green color. I can change the only green, medium sea green, then go to green. Oh, fine, change. Then all the color you will change in one by one, then show you a web page is so beautiful. So this is a border color. I will change the border color size 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 4 pixel, solid color. Then you will change heading size. First of all, I will change styles, only styles, just like border style, just like color, and then background color. Already you will change this to all. Now go to border 2 pixels solid, right? Then I will go to just like 6 pixels. Now check the border. uh, yeah, border is so big. Okay, okay. Then go to the heading of second. Now we'll change the color, and this is dogger blue. Then go to the blue, then go to one. This is a blue, just like gray. Then go to gray color. Already you will change the background colors. Okay, fine. Then go to, I will show you one color is on multiple times, just like I will create the background color on tomato, just like this. And now this is already changed the style, just like I will go to the background color RGB, red, green and blue. Red color is in this 255 and green is 99 and other is 71. Then this is all the section of this. Okay, then this is already, and this is Excel already showed to the tomato light just like upper size in RGB, red, green and blue color 255, 99 and 71. This is not red, green, blue and alpha 255, 99, 75 and this color is shown less 0.5. okay, I will show you 0.20 then on. Okay, 0.20 then. Okay, fine. Then go to the all exercise in one page. Show this. First of all, I will read all the code tomato and background color change. Then go to the word by word color change. Then also a border color, and finally go to change color on sample. This is a code. I will show you on description all the code. Then you will comment and describe my channel and go to more codes and more programmings. And please subscribe my channel and go to more videos. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel Brand Logic. Okay, Allah Hafiz.